Dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to study the fifth poem. What is it? Yes, Different. Who is the author of this poem, Different? Yeah, Ilona Fenton. She is the author with different opinions and she is also considered as the author of Discovery. She supported women with the help of her poem Different. She said that being different is not the wrong thing. She also said that being different, wearing something different, is not the wrong thing. Now we will move to the poem. See the first two stanzas. Just because I am different and hear a different song or march to an odd drummer doesn't mean I am wrong. This is the first stanza from our poem. She tells that she is really different, that she may be hearing a different song that usually others may not be hearing, but it doesn't mean that she is wrong. She is telling that if she march or walk towards a drummer who plays a strange music, it also doesn't mean that she is wrong. The speaker says that the song she hears and the rhyme she marches to might be different from the rest of the people. She suggests that her way of life might be different, but that doesn't mean she is wrong. The speaker wants to define herself in her own manner and thus asserts her individuality from the crowd. Okay, children? Now, what do you mean by drummer, children? Drummer means a person who plays a drum or drums. Now, let us move to the second stanza. Just because I am different and I don't dress the same or have a different opinion doesn't mean I am to blame. The second stanza means that if she is different, if someone is different or have a different dressing style or have a different opinion, it doesn't mean that she is to be blamed. So a poet is someone who thinks in a different manner, who believes that someone is different, someone is unique in their ideologies, in their thoughts. It doesn't mean that they have to be blamed. They have to be told wrong. So what do you mean by blame? Blame means responsibility for a fault or wrong. Now we will move to the third stanza. Just because I am different and don't work from 9 to 5 or earn an annual wage doesn't mean I am on the sky. Now, what is the meaning of wage? Children, any idea? Or what do you mean by on the sky? No idea? Alright, wage means a fixed regular payment. Sky means to stay away from duty or work. On the sky means staying away from the workplace. So in the third stanza it is told that being different, not working as others are, working like from sharp 9 to till sharp 9 p.m. It doesn't mean that she is staying away from all the works or if she is not able to earn the annual wage and others are earning. It doesn't mean that she is staying away from everything. Okay, children? Now, in the last stanza, it is written like this. Just because I am different, not part of the common crowd, just because I am not like you, doesn't mean that I am not proud. So, in the last stanza, it is told that because she is different from everyone, that she is not the part of the crowd. Part of the crowd means she is something different, someone different from everyone. And she is not like anyone else. It doesn't mean that she is not proud of herself. Even though she is different from everyone, she is doing different things, she is proud of herself. Indifferent, no one can blame us, nor says that we are wrongdoers. And by being different, we can be proud of ourselves, sure. So, children, in this poem, the poet defines herself as being different from the others as she follows a different rhythm, presents herself in a different manner, has different opinions, and in short, does not stick to a common routine. She repeatedly or again and again emphasizes that these differences do not mean that she is wrong or she is to be blamed or that she is staying away from responsibilities. She seems to be proud. Hello, children. This world will be a better place to live only when we learn to accept and celebrate differences. Okay, children? We have to accept differences. Once we recognize differences between people, we also learn how to relate across those differences. It's a mistake to assume that something different is something wrong. As we all are humans, we have the right to be treated equally, and there should never be separation based on differences. If we suppose that all of us have to be the same, then the world will never have the potential for growth or change. So, children, be different. I hope you all understood this poem. Recite this poem many times and complete your notes. Okay, thank you, children.